welcome back to my channel. Hey, 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 welcome back to my channel. Hey, hey, welcome back to my channel. Hey, 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 welcome back to my channel. It is your favorite chocolate girl, Beatbymoe, and I'm back with another slay for you today. Okay, so this is day 3 of my fall series, and baby, this is a look, honey. This is a look, guys. I'm gonna get you guys into the video real soon here, but I just wanted to come in and get serious with you guys for a real quick second here. Guys, whatever you want to do in life, go do it. Do not give up. Do not stop trying, because if you stop trying at something that you really want to do in life, how would you know if you were ever going to be successful? You don't know that, so you got to keep trying. You got to keep pushing forward, and you got to keep going. So I just wanted to get serious with you guys for a second and let you guys know, whatever you decide you want to pursue in life, you got this and you can do it. So, hey, for my returning subscribers, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and join the gang, okay? It is your favorite chocolate girl, Beatbymoe. Come on, subscribe. So this is the fall look that we're going to be doing today. Go ahead and follow my Instagram at Beatbymoe so you can check out the pictures here. I'm going to stop rambling so you guys can get into the video, okay? Okay, so we got the brows on, the eyes are set. Okay, so we're going into the Nubian 2 by Juvias place, and I'm just going to be going into that shade Jezebel, and I'm just going to be putting that shade all in my crease. Guys, and if it sounds like I'm talking really low, it's because everybody in the house is still asleep, so I don't want to be too loud and wake up anybody. So as you can see, I am tapping it in before I brush it out. So you just want to tap that shade into your crease and into the corner of your eye. So this is going to be a cut crease, so you don't want to bring it all the way down, but if it does come all the way down, don't worry, because we're going to be cutting the crease anyways, so don't have any fear, because that's going to get cut off anyways. Okay, so we're gonna go into the shade Morocco, and I'm just gonna put that on the top up under my brow, and just to blend that into the shade Jezebel. So it may not look like anything is like being applied to my eye, but it is. It's just, you have to take your time and pack it in there, and you don't want to go all the way up under your eyebrow unless that's the look that you're going for. Okay, see, honey, we cut that crease, baby. Now we're going to go back into Jezebel, and we're going to tap that into the outer corners of the eye, because we're going for a nice blend. Like, I want this eye to be nice and blended. So I'm going to tap that into the corners of my eye, and I'm going to blend it into my eye just a little bit. So now we're going into Morocco, and I'm just going to blend that into Jezebel, and then I'm going to blend it out just a little bit so that it can give that nice gradient effect. So whenever you're doing a cut crease and you're blending your colors, you want to blend it into the color that you previously put before, so you can get a nice gradient effect. You want that blend, baby. We want that blend. Okay, so now I'm going to be going into Zuri, that shimmery white color, and I'm just going to be placing that all on my eye. Now, I did go in with the shimmer. I don't know if I show you guys, but this is a shimmer called Lush from Brat Inks Cosmetic, and I put that on top of the color Zuri. I don't know if I showed you guys. I think I did it off of camera because it was one of those last minute things. So I did go in with Zuri and I packed that all over, and I took it into Morocco and I blended it. Again, guys, you want to make sure you just blend these colors together, and then you take Morocco and you blend it into the edges of the color Zuri as well. Okay, guys, you already know it's time for the foundation. So I'm going in with the I Am Magic Concealer by Juvia's Place. And I'm just going to put that up under my eye and clean up my liner a little bit with that. So I'm just going to place that up under there and up under my liner. You want to make sure you place it up under your liner, so when you blend it out, it cleans up the liner if you messed up. So you can have a nice sharp eye. I always do this if I don't clean up my eyes previously, or even if I don't mess up, I still place that up under my liner because I want my liner to be sharp. So now I'm going in with the lighter concealer, and this is the number 9 in I Am Magic concealer from Juvia's Place, and I'm just going to go into the corners of my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, above where I put that concealer, on my forehead and on my chin and on my lip. So now I'm going in with a foundation stick from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to place that everywhere where I want to contour. So on my forehead, on my cheeks, and on the bridge of my nose. I don't contour under my jaw because my jawline is pretty sharp, so I really don't need to do that because I don't want an extra strong face. So now I'm going in with the foundation. This is the Morphe Filter Soft Focus Foundation, and this is in the shade Deep 35. I'm just going to place that everywhere that I did not put product. So if I didn't put concealer or contouring, or want to contour there, foundation is going to go there. Guys, I cannot wait to show you in depth this process that I do, this technique that I do. It is so nice, and it leaves your foundation very, very smooth, and it's not a lot of product. So now we're going to go in with the foundation brush, and I'm just going to blend out all of my foundation. So you want to blend out all of your foundation everywhere you put the foundation at. Do not mix it with any of your concealer or your contour. You just want to blend out just the foundation. So now we're going to go in with our concealer brush, contouring brush, and we're going to blend out everywhere that we contoured. So I'm making the concealer the last thing that I blend out, and you guys will see why. It just gives the look everything that it needs, everything that it needs. When you blend out the concealer. Y'all, my song was on. Don't mind my dancing, y'all, but my song was on. I think I was listening to some Drake. So I go in with my Morphe Beauty Blender and I just blend out all of my concealer, y'all. I don't know why I don't use a brush on my concealer. It just makes it better when I use a beauty blender. I don't know why, but I just love blending out my concealers with a beauty blender. So we're just going to blend out all of that concealer and just make sure that we have a nice, smooth finish. Like, do you guys see this look coming together? Do y'all see this look coming together? Now, I'm not blending out the concealer on the corners of my eyes. I almost do it, but I'm not doing it because I'm going to blend out the contour on my nose first. And then I'm going to go in and blend out the concealer on my eye because, baby, it just snatches up my nose when I do it this way. Okay, so I guess I lost that clip. So we're going in with the Laura Mercier and we're just going to set everywhere that I contoured at. Guys, I apologize. I'm missing clips here and there. I don't know what happened. And yes, I do set my eyebrows with this powder as well, y'all, because it has your eyebrows in place all day. So set your eyebrows. Don't use a lot of powder, but set your eyebrows, baby. So now I'm going in with my CoverGirl loose powder and I'm just going to set around my nose just to give it some more, you know, snatchness. Going down the bridge of my nose and on the corners of where I contoured, I'm just sharpening that up. Y'all, once you blend all of this out, it's just going to come together so smoothly. Like, it's going to come together, honey. So now I'm going into the Juvia's Place Bronze Palette, and this is in the shade Dark. Guys, you want to use a light hand with this because, baby, this stuff is pigmented as well. Like, if you go in heavy-handed, your face is going to look real strong. It's going to look real strong, baby. So you want to go in with a very light hand and just bronze your face. I'm just bronzing everywhere that I contoured. So now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 360. And y'all, I have to go find me some more because I'm running out. And I'm just going to go ahead and set the rest of my face. So we're just going to go ahead and set everywhere where we put that powder at. And we're just going to blend it out. Guys, I don't know if I can find that shade no more because I was looking online for it. And I didn't see it in the mocha that I was looking at online was not the one that I had. Now, I know y'all tired of seeing this blush palette, but y'all gonna keep seeing it because right now it's my favorite. So y'all gonna keep seeing it. So we're going into the Saharan Blush Volume 2, and I'm going into that shade 2, or I think it's called To You. But we're going into that shade, and we're just gonna add a little blushy blush. And y'all, my bad if my mirror keep blocking my face. Like, y'all, when I be doing my makeup, I be into it. So I apologize if my mirror all in my face. So we're going into that same palette and we're going to go into Zoba and we're just going to highlight our face, y'all. Like, this highlight goes with every look I have been doing, y'all. Like, I love this palette. It's so, look at how pretty that highlight is, guys. Look at how pretty that highlight is. Like, that's why I love this palette so much. Okay, y'all, so we're going into the Crayon K's matte lippie, and this is in the shade Raven. Y'all, I was so scared because I don't do bold lips. Y'all see me do nude lips, and I was like, I want to switch it up. I want to give them a bold lip for this fall look. And y'all, I was so scared because I was like, I hope this come out right. Then I'm gonna go in with the BH Cosmetics, that nude matte lip color, and we're gonna leave this lip matte as well. So I'm just gonna go in with that, and I'm gonna blend that in. You'll see here in a second. Y'all, I was scared. I was really scared because I was really hoping this comes out right, and it did. It was a look, honey. It was a look, y'all. It was definitely a look, y'all. And after I do this, this will be the look, y'all. This will be it. So if you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and thumbs up this video. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and join the gang. I see a lot of you guys are watching my videos, but y'all are not subscribing. Go ahead and subscribe and join the gang, okay? This is a look, and I'm going to be providing more looks for you, okay? So go ahead and subscribe and join the gang, okay? The post notifications need to be on as well so you don't miss an upload from your favorite chocolate girl. But here is the look, guys. I hope you guys like it, and I will see you guys in my next video. So here is the finished look, ladies. Y'all, I think I'm finna get into bold lips because, baby, look. Y'all, I'm like too excited right now because it's the lips for me, honey. It's the lips for me, y'all. Y'all, it's a look. It's a look. Listen, makeup is whatever you make it, and it does not always have to match your outfit. It doesn't always have to match, period. Makeup is about creativity, okay? So if you're not feeling the lip, go hate someone else because, baby, it's a vibe. It's a vibe. So here it is. If you made it to the end of this video and you are not subscribed yet, then, baby, what are you doing? Go ahead and subscribe to your favorite chocolate girl. Come on. Yes. Okay, so this is day 3 of my fall series. Guys, go check out my Instagram at Beatbymoe with 2 E's because, baby, the pictures are going to be fire, okay? The pictures are going to be fire. Guys, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Any video that you watch, go ahead and subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Guys, I will see you in my next video. Just hopping in again so y'all can click on that picture of me right there and go ahead and subscribe to your favorite chocolate girl. Make sure your post notifications are on so you do not miss an upload from your favorite chocolate girl.